This is how to charge your vehicle. Unlock the vehicle. Press the charge port cover to open it. Remove the charge socket cap. And then plug in the charger firmly. Now your vehicle is ready to charge. You can start charging in different ways. You can easily check the charging status by several means. You can also stop charging in several ways. If you cannot unplug the charger when you have stopped charging and unlock the vehicle, open the round cap below the boot cover. Hold the emergency ring pull down, and then unplug the charger.